This is the Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven. Its extensive capabilities and features deliver the precision, quality, and look of a Wolf range on your countertop. 6 different modes give it the flexibility to confidently proof, warm, roast, bake, broil, and toast, accommodating most 9x13 casserole dishes. The key to even cooking is its 5 heating elements and advanced electronics. The temperature controls have been precisely calibrated for every mode to deliver the best cooking performance. The unique perimeter convection feature gives you faster results. The optimal size, placement, and power of the air vents and convection fan surround your food with circulating heat, preventing hot spots and ensuring even browning and cooking. The integrated temperature probe takes the guesswork out of cooking meat exactly as you like it. Insert it with one hand and set the probe at the temperature you need. The display will change to show the actual temperature of the meat during cooking time, as well as the set oven temperature, without ever opening the oven door. You can use the included baking pan and broil rack together for broiling, or separately for baking and cooling. The Easy Glide rack slides forward smoothly and securely for safe access to your hot dishes. The Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven has a non-stick interior and a dishwasher-safe removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. The Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven. Precise cooking, predictably delicious results for any meal you can envision.
Meet the most advanced countertop oven on the market today, the Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven. Now, the power of a professional-grade steam oven can fit on your own counter, allowing you to cook like never before. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven combines all of the traditional features of a countertop toaster oven broiler with the powerful combination of steam and convection baking. It also steam broils, super steams, proofs and bakes breads, and keeps foods warm. Plus, it even toasts like a conventional toaster oven broiler. Steam baking allows food to retain more moisture and requires no oil, providing healthier, juicier, and more succulent foods. And with the combination of 120 minutes of uninterrupted steam heat and convection cooking, you can cook foods up to 40% faster than a traditional oven. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven bakes breads, rolls, and homemade pretzels, plus even donuts and pizza dough. And with its specialized proofing technology, you can prepare and bake your breads with artisan results. Use the unique steam bake and steam broil features to cook your favorite dishes while retaining moisture for more flavor and less fat. Choose the steam feature to steam vegetables, fish, and even rice. Or when you reheat leftovers for next day meals, they won't dry out. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven has 9 preset cooking functions, including Convection Bake, Keep Warm, and Super Steam. The generous interior space measures 0.60 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 4.5-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza, even though the exterior size is engineered to take up very little counter space. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven features a 47-ounce removable water reservoir, generously sized blue display, and comes with a wire rack, baking pan, broiling rack, crumb tray, and drip tray. Use the oven in the summer when you don't want to heat up the entire house with a conventional oven. Or use it to perform perfectly as a second oven while entertaining. Baking, broiling, toasting, and steaming have never been so effortless or more efficient. Get the most out of your countertop space with ease by bringing professional-grade cooking technology to your kitchen today with the Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven.
In this video, we're going to highlight some key points about the unique convection baking function. So here we go. First, because there are so many features, always keep your owner's manual nearby. For now, let's get into convection heating. On the control panel, program the convection feature by pressing one of the 2 select buttons, left or right, to scroll through options until convection with preheat appears on the display window. Press the Set button to program the desired temperature by using the left or right select button for a lower or higher setting. Now press Start, and the oven will immediately commence to preheat. If you decide to change the desired temperature during preheating, press one of the two select buttons, left or right, for lower or higher. When preheating is complete, the oven will beep 3 times and a check mark will appear on the display window. That's your cue to set the timer according to your recipe and/or owner's manual to a maximum of 90 minutes, again by pressing one of the two select buttons, left or right, until the desired time shows on the display window. Open the door and using protective oven mitts, insert your food in appropriate containers on one or two of the metal tray accessories. Be mindful of optimum positioning for convection cooking on the upper and/or lower shelf. Press Start to begin convection cooking as the timer counts down on the display window. To change the remaining cook time after the timer starts, simply press the left or right select button to subtract or add time. You can also convection cook without preheating. First, put your food in the oven, then press one of the two select buttons, left or right, until convection without preheat appears on the display window. As before, press the Set button to program the desired temperature by using the left or right select button for lower or higher before pressing Set to program your time. Then press Select again to start the cooking cycle up to 90 minutes. There you have it. Convection cooking was never easier or better with Panasonic.
Panasonic.
Introducing Chefcubii 4-in-1 Steam Combi Oven from FOTILE. It has the ideal capacity for all your cooking needs. A 3-layered heat-resistant door prevents heat transfer and heat loss. Cleaning an oven has never been easier with its unique steam self-clean mode. It's a steam oven, convection oven, dehydrator, and air fryer all in one product, so you can enjoy truly versatile cooking. This oven features 4 baking modes. The 3 U-shaped heating element and large air inlet help prepare foods quickly. The unique steam bake mode adds moisture while baking, so your food will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Steaming is also available. It's a healthier cooking method that preserves more nutrients. Want to enjoy fried foods without the guilt? Try oil-free air fry. You can start making homemade healthy snacks with a dehydrate mode. The 40 built-in recipes offer the best time and temperature for all your favorites. Imagine and create with your Chefcubii 4-in-1 Steam Combi Oven from FOTILE.